Constable Cash, tell me what you got back here in subdivision back here.
Yeah, we had a tornado alert in our neighborhood here. This is actually where I live. We had severe weather come through here. We have damage, trees on houses and vehicles, all the way from the front of the neighborhood all the way to the back. We had no injuries that we reported or talking to the neighbors. Just a lot of damage, a lot of houses damaged, a lot of vehicles damaged. We had one medical call after the fact where a male was transported with chest pain. But other than that, it's under control. We're waiting on Entergy to give us a go-ahead, and the commissioners have responded from all over Montgomery County with equipment to help us get these roads open. That's probably our big deal right now, is waiting for Entergy and then getting these roads open so emergency vehicles can go to the neighborhoods. But right now, we've had a lot of houses have holes in them, trees on top of them, a lot of vehicles.
What's the name of the subdivision here?
It's Cape Malibu off the Calvary Road in the National Forest.
Okay, Jason, your full name?
Jason Millsaps.
Emergency Management?
Yes, I'm the Director of Emergency Management and Homeland Security for Montgomery County.
Tell me, things changed real quick this afternoon at 2:30 with the sunny skies.
Yeah, so we went from sunny skies to a severe thunderstorm warning to a tornado warning in a span of about 10 minutes. There was reports about that same time that Walker County had storm damage from what was believed to be a tornado. Or simultaneously, we started getting reports on the northwest side of the county, just west of 45 in Willis. They were starting to see some storm damage. As units arrived on scene, they were found with a lot of trees and power lines down, several houses with power lines and trees on top of them, and what looks to be a tornado that touched down in this area.
What about Conroe got hit pretty good, and we had a house collapse over there?
So the collapse in Conroe is going to be weather related, but it's not due to tornadic activity. That I believe is going to be a straight line wind or some type of microburst, which collapsed a structure that was in the process of being built. It just did not have all the support that it would need to stay upright during that type of wind event.
What subdivisions are we talking? I mean, major we're talking.
It's a brand new subdivision. I'm not familiar with it yet. It's a Lennar build subdivision. It's off of Avenue M and 3083 inside the city limits of Conroe. The city of Conroe's got a number of resources there working on that structure collapse because we did have several injuries and a couple of fatalities there.
Okay. What about the other large subdivisions? How far south does it look like the storm damage?
The storm path looks like it moved from this area southeast, so it went through Corinthian Point, continued southeast through Panorama Village, and at some point crossed over 45 where it went back aloft, and from there it dissipated. We just had wind damage on the other side of 45 on the east side. And
quite a bit of hail around the airport area
we
too.
got a number of large hail reports, some golf ball sized all the way down to pea-sized hail.
Okay, what about power? I mean, most of this whole section in Montgomery County is pretty much put
yeah. So Calvary Road and part of Shepherd Hill is going to be without power for quite some time, as the power companies are still working on depowering the grid, so our emergency crews can get in there and start working on clearing the roads and getting structures cleared and getting the trees off the structures. And that's going to take some time for them to restore power in this area, but it's kind of localized to this Calvary Road and Shepherd Hill area, as well as the Corinthian Point and Cape Malibu area behind me.
Okay. All right.
They call these original growth.
That's a good one.